Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can automate and speed up ad copies and ad video creation process using AI. So let's talk about the first one, ad copy generator. AI algorithms can create a variety of ad copy ideas based on given keywords, target audience, and product details. And one of the tools that we're going to utilize in our project is called Copy AI, right? So yeah, like what I explained to you in the previous video, all you need to do is just to type in the name of your product, the descriptions of your product, and click generate, and in less than a couple seconds, AI is going to automatically generate you the ad copy that you need. Can you imagine, guys, how long it will take you if you have to do it manually? Maybe it's not going to take too long to, write your ad copy, but the most time consuming part is to come up with your own creative ideas, right? It might take you like a couple hours or sometimes even days to come up with your own creative ideas. What if I told you that actually you can save a lot of your time, you can speed up this process using AI? That sounds very exciting, right? So you're going to be able to outsource this part of works to AI, which will save a lot of your time, all right? So yeah, that's the first one. The second one here is text to video generator. AI can convert written ad copy into video scripts, optimizing it for spoken language and visual storytelling. That sounds great. So can you imagine like how long it will take you if you need to create a video ad? It needs to be perfect. It needs to be very compelling. How long it will take you guys? Maybe like couple hours or even days, right? You need to come up with your own ideas. You need to create the videos. Then you need to edit the videos and make it as perfect as possible. What if I told you that actually you can outsource that work to AI? It will save a lot of your time because AI is going to be able to do that work in less than a minute or maybe in less than 30 seconds, guys. Can you imagine like how much time that you're going to be able to save by outsourcing this work to AI, right? And one of the tools that we're going to utilize is called deepbrain.io. So guess what? We're going to get our ad copy from AI, and we're going to use that ad copy and integrate that ad copy to this custom AI avatars, and then this custom AI avatar is going to do the advertising for us, right? So that sounds very exciting, doesn't it? Okay, so let's go back to the slide and let's talk about part 3, automated translations. All right, so AI can translate ad copy from one language to another while preserving the intended tone and message. So especially if you are going to be selling your product to people from many different countries, people who speak different languages, right? Maybe you have very broad customer targets. You're going to be selling your products to people in the United States and Canada who speak English, but at the same time, you're also going to be targeting people in Brazil who speak Portuguese. You're going to be targeting people in China who speak Mandarin. You're also going to be targeting people in France who obviously speak French, right? So can you imagine if you need to do the translation manually, right? There are two things here. The first one, it will require you to hire a translator, right? Which will cost you a lot of money. And the second one, even if you have the capability of translating one language to another language, but it will be very time consuming, right? What if I told you that AI can automate that process? So not only that you can save up time, but also save up a lot of your budget since you don't need to hire a translator. So that sounds very cool, right? Okay, let's talk about the last one here, which is customer segmentation. So AI can segment audiences based on various factors like demographics, behavior, and preferences, allowing for personalized ad copies. I think this is my most favorite one, guys, because lots of people underestimate customer segmentations. Lots of people don't realize that customer segmentation is actually very essential. Well, I can guarantee that you're not going to be very successful or make a lot of sales if you treat all of your customers the same way. No, it's not gonna work that way, guys. You need to do further analysis and try to see your customers from demographic perspective. So, for example, like certain people think this way or behave this way, therefore, I need to create different type of ads, right? So it can attract these different type of people. So yeah, that's what we usually call as customer segmentations, and AI will enable us to do the customer segmentations automatically, right? So you don't have to do the analysis manually. Instead, just outsource that work to AI. That's very cool. Okay, guys, I think that's all. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to talk about criteria of successful ad copy. Okay, so I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.